Let's add some succulents to a floral bouquet today. Grab your clippers, head to the garden, and grab a couple clippings. Now, let's prep them for our floral arrangement. You want to trim off any excess stems or dirty leaves that you don't want to use. And then you're going to cut your stem till it's about 1 inch to 2 inches long. Now we're going to take a wooden skewer from the kitchen and we're going to place it into the stem. Try to push it up about 1 inch, and then you're going to take a piece of wire and you're going to wrap it around to secure the succulent onto the skewer. So do this to all of your succulents before you're ready to actually put your bouquet or your arrangement together. I gathered some greenery and other flowers from the garden. I just start to create a little bouquet on the table using green ferns and some variegated leaves, some fresh rosemary, and then I'm going to add in my succulents and my flowers. I'm using some white spray roses from the garden, and just trim as you go, pull off the excess leaves, add a succulent. I like to do this in my hands so that I can poke things behind or wherever I feel there's a spot that I need to add in. So I just continue to do this until I've got everything that I want in my arrangement, and then I'm simply going to wire the stems together. So it's easy as can be and takes about 5 minutes. You can also wrap the stems with ribbon. You can put this in a vase of water, or you could wrap it up in a beautiful piece of burlap and give it as a gift. But it's so pretty, and look at the texture and the color that these succulents add to the arrangement. They're just the perfect touch for a bouquet.